You see these scars right here and here and here and here and here? Well, guess what? I'm on my 4th knee surgery and I'm on my 3rd ACL. So if you've ever had a knee surgery or an ACL reconstruction, you're having trouble getting your strength and flexibility back, I'm gonna show you one movement you can do right now to help you with that. So nice soft cushion on the ground, that's really important so that your knee is nice and comfortable. I don't want any pain in this position. Then you're gonna turn your body into a 90-degree angle, so your back leg is like this and your top leg is like that, okay? You're gonna drive these back toes into the ground the entire time. And when you do that, your quad on the lower leg is probably gonna start shaking a little bit. That's totally fine. That's your mind-muscle connection waking up. You're gonna bring your butt towards your heel while driving your toe into the ground, and then you're gonna extend your hip. And you're just gonna go back and forth. Even if it's a tiny range of motion like this, extending the hip, you're trying to wake the quad up and make it comfortable with going below parallel on any movement. Now practice this for about 90 seconds. You can do this once a day, twice a day, 3 times a day, and eventually your goal would be to bring your butt all the way down to your heel and back up while strengthening that quad. Give it a shot and your knees are gonna feel amazing if you do.